From the perspective of a business, obviously this is a big investment.
It's a huge investment.
From a CEO's perspective, how do you think it's going to affect the bottom line?
I think over time it will definitely improve our operational efficiencies. It'll also save us with malpractice dollars. I mean, I truly believe that with med reconciliation, with the physicians being involved through every episodic point of care, we will be able to save money. We will not have the medication errors that we have today in our industry. Just based on the patient safety initiatives, I think it's going to increase the bottom line, and I think operational efficiencies will be better. We'll have less duplication of tests. I mean, right now, probably every chest X-ray or lab test is probably redone 2 or 3 times because people can't get access to it in a timely basis. So I think over the next couple of years, it'll be a couple of years before all those things will come to be showing, in true value. But I think we're going to see an improvement in the bottom line and patient safety.
Very shortly, join into a community information exchange or a regional health information exchange will not be an option. It's been mandated.
Right.
How are you preparing for that? And is what you are currently doing with Carefx bringing you to that point? Is it a stepping stone to that point?
It's definitely another stepping stone because we're also very involved in the Tampa Bay Rio that's trying to get started. Of course, all the state initiatives. So this is another step toward that whole process because it is going to be all about health information exchange. And we're hoping that once we get our physicians in the hospital very connected, then the physicians can get very connected with their specialists, and that's really what it's all going to be about, to get integration.
How were you, before implementing the system, how were you doing your referrals and exchanging information? How was it being done at that time?
Very manual and very slow and very unproductive. So the changes, I think, will be good. It's definitely a process, but I'm very excited about where we're going.
And where do you plan on going with as far as the mandates? I know that meaningful use is something that everybody is talking about right now. It's very important to everybody. It's something that everybody is going to have to comply with. It's not like there's an option.
Right.
How much?
Unless you want to be penalized.
Unless you want to be penalized,
right.
Exactly.
So.
How much right now as a CEO is that part of your daily life?
Well, because I oversee IT for the entire health system, it's a huge part of my daily life. So, my CIO basically brings to the table on a routine basis where we sit, how close we are. We are planning on taking benefits of the stimulus dollars in 2011 when it becomes available. So we are pretty excited that we should be ready for most of those things by that time.
Great. So. Is there anything else that you're going to do with those dollars?
Keep reinvesting in IT and physician alignment and the patient portal. So,
great. Well, Brigitte Shaw, I want to thank you very much for coming to speak with us.
Thank you. Bye.